How to sign up KuCoin account. Here is a clear and updated guide on how to sign up for a KuCoin account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down KuCoin and navigate to the official KuCoin website or download the KuCoin mobile app if available on iOS and Android. Now on the home page, tap on the sign up in the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the sign up page. Once you do so, all you have to do is choose your registration method. You can register with an email address or a mobile phone number depending on support in your country. But here, I'm simply registering using the Google for easier access in future. Tap on the continue option available there and that is it. Now, what happens is Google will send you a verification code on your Gmail, and all you have to do is open new tab, go to the Gmail, and look for the KuCoin email and copy the code and paste it in the asked box and continue. Now follow the on-screen instructions and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.